If you're booking travel activities online and feeling confused about the payment process, don't worry, this video will make it super simple for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to pay on Klook step by step in a beginner-friendly way, so you can complete your booking without any issues. First, after selecting your activity and tapping on Book Now, you'll be taken to the checkout or payment page. Here, you'll see a summary of your booking, including the date, number of people, and total price. Before proceeding, always double-check these details to avoid mistakes. Once everything looks correct, scroll down to the payment section. Now, you'll see different payment options available. The options may vary depending on your location and currency, but most commonly, Klook supports credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. You can use cards like Visa or MasterCard, and even payment options like Google Pay or Apple Pay. In countries like India, you may also see UPI or wallet options for easier payments. Next, choose your preferred payment method. If you're using a card, enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV. If you're using a wallet like Google Pay, simply select it and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure your payment details are correct before moving forward. After that, tap on Pay Now or Confirm Payment. Once you proceed, your bank or payment app may ask for verification, such as an OTP or password. This step is important for security, so complete it carefully. After successful verification, your payment will be processed, and you'll see a confirmation screen. After payment, Klook will instantly send you a booking confirmation along with a voucher via email and inside the app. This voucher is what you'll show at the activity location, so keep it safe. You can always find it later in the My Booking section. It's also important to know that Klook does not support cash payments. You must pay online using the available methods. You can also apply promo codes or discounts before making the payment to save money. So in simple terms, paying on Klook is easy. Review your booking, choose a payment method, enter your details, verify the payment, and receive your confirmation voucher. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next video.